Paris Agreement?
Yeah.
Ay, kawalang yan. Kawalang yan. Puro pangako. Wala namang napagkasunduan na binding yan eh. Walang sinabi sa pag-compensate sa mga developing countries na napipinsalaan. Samantalang mga developed, sila na nag-abuso sa sa greenhouse gas emissions, carbon dioxide and emissions, no? Dapat magbayad sila sa mahabang panahon na pang-abuso nila. Makita ninyo, meron ng melting of the polar ice sa Greenland, yung mga yelo natutunaw na. Tapos mas madali nang magbaha. Tapos yung to the extent na may global warming na, di ba? Lumalakas yung mga dumadalas na yung malalakas na bagyo. Tapos meron na rin manifestations of droughts and prolonged droughts and desertification. The least that should be done is sabi ni James Hansen, huwag nang tawagin tax, fee. Mas maganda tawagin fine. There must be the weight of accountability. Meron na mga consequences yan. And both the ordinary people and those in power realize na nature has begun to punish the culprits, kawawa lang yung, and those who are not really culprits or could be victims, yung ordinary people. Aalsa yan, silang most victimized as the global warming worsens, they suffer more. No?